Hello, so really quick, I'm just going to show you how to open a Google Doc and share that with someone so that you can help your students do that for writing in the afternoon. So you're going to go up here to where your applications are. You're just going to try and find this blue Google Doc. This is probably also along the bottom of your child's Chromebook, so either way works. You're going to go click that. It's going to open to this page and you're just going to select a blank document. Once they are in here, and this is out of students' routine, but they will need to share it with their teacher first. Now they can't do this until they get into their breakout room and they know which teacher they're working with. So they might need you to come back at about 1:15 to help them type in that person's name. They're going to need to go up here to the blue share button, click that, and then they're gonna give their document a name. If they can just give their document their own name. Sorry, I was working with Brianna. So they'll type their name, and then they're going to share it with whichever teacher they're with. Let's say I'm working with Jennifer Andrzejowski. I'm going to put their name in here, click it, and then I'm sharing it with that person, and then we both have access and we can see what they're writing. Please let me know if you have any problems.